Here's a quick tour of the shop. This is just after I did all the cleaning just recently. I've been in this space now for about 7 years. It's a 16 by 30 with 30-foot ceilings. Sounds like a lot of room, but I've actually outgrown it. I definitely need some more room. As you can see here, everything is nice and clean. I know it looks a little chaotic, but trust me, it's not. I definitely spent 4 or 5 hard days pulling up these mats, vacuuming, cleaning. There was just a ton of dust and cat hair everywhere. I hadn't done this kind of cleaning in quite a long time. I reorganized all my stuff, like these dies here. And all my tools are nice and neat and organized and put away. I can actually find stuff now, which is great. So this will make what I do here in the shop a lot more efficient. Back there in the corner is my skins and hides area. That's where I keep and cut all my stuff. This particular workbench right here is where I lay stuff out. Do the carving and tooling and stamping for stuff. All my tools there, you can see. Piles of lead everywhere. All kinds of different tools. And this is what I see and look at on a regular basis. Just wanted to give you guys a little quick look at this. It is 1,000 times better than it was before. I've actually started putting up some of my photographs from the past. These are from cemeteries from New Orleans, from the mausoleums. And then I've got some other graphic art that I've done and some paintings that I did from the 90s. Specialty leather carving painting of that skull and some more photographs. Needed to kind of like make the place more creative. All the stuff I got here. I've got paintings and arts for days I could be hanging up. And this is kind of like a good general look at what I do, guys. Just wanted to show you this. Here it is. Hope you like it.